Kawasaki sit flat in the water here. As you can see, there's a little bit of water coming over the nose here. That's because Kawasaki sit their skis flat for maximum comfort. So we're riding on a lot more of the water surface. When you touch the throttle, the nose comes out of water, so it's a dry ride. Actually, speaking of dry ride, I'll actually show you there. There's KSD, which is Kawasaki Splash Deflectors, that are built into the hull. They work really, really well. I'll take off here and I'll show you what it does. So a little bit of accelerator, up we go. Probably don't, there you go. So on the hull, it's deflecting the water away from me, like I am totally dry. I'll do a turn here shortly, but you can see that's what those splash detectors do. So I'll turn, and the water just deflects all the way from me. And when you're going up and over bumps, see it just pushes it away. As you can see, even after that ride, you know, a little splash here, where I'm not relatively, I'm dry, a little bit on my arm, that's it.